Hi there, this is Erin from Grow Your Health Gardening, and today I just want to give you a quick tip on labeling as you're planting your seedlings and your seeds. Today I'm doing carrots, and these are two that I've chosen for this season. I've never grown these two varieties. I don't even know if I can say it correctly. I assume the G is silent. Nif or Gnif, I don't know. This is from Switzerland, so if you know Swiss, you probably know how to say that correctly, and you can teach me. And then this is Cosmic Purple. Both of these are from rareseeds.com, Baker's Creek heirloom seeds. And anyway, the tags, I'll put a link to the tags in the seed company if you're interested in some seed companies that I like. I'll put those in the comments below, and then I'll also give a link to this. This is the pen that I love, and it works so well on my tags. And you need something that will stand up to the sun, because the sun will cause some inks to fade. So this is the pen. It's a Permanent Garden Lumicolor by Stettler, and it just writes beautifully. Also, you notice on my tags I put my start date and my harvest date. I count out the days about when it should be ready, so when I'm doing my garden walkthrough I can say, oh, that's going to be harvesting soon, or you can also pull it out, but you know, just if you haven't grown a certain variety. And I had to look up, I don't know, maybe they just assume that most carrots take 65 to 75 days, but I did look up online to see what others recommended for these specific varieties, because each variety is a little different. Baby carrots in particular will be harvested earlier. So these are bigger carrots, so they're going to be in the ground a little bit longer, and I'm going to put them in this bag, this felt bag, and we're going to grow them that way because I have squirrels and critters that like to munch on things. So those are going on the deck, and we're going to just water them when we do our watering chores in the morning. So anyway, just wanted to give you mostly this tip on this ink pen, because some people just get frustrated with their tags fading, and when you're growing something, especially new to growing something, it helps to know what you're growing and when it should be ready. So there you go. Hope that